Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the Australian dollar and the US dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The Aussie fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw Microsoft stock fall 0.8%. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar rose broadly as growth concerns about the US economy drove demand for the safe haven greenback, while the yen rebounded as speculators doubled down on bets that the Bank of Japan would shift away from its yield curve control policy. Vietnam's electric vehicle maker VinFast said it will launch promotions to protect the market competitiveness of its models, a week after Tesla announced aggressive discounting to spur demand. Russian crude oil exports to the European Union fell to 0.9 million BPD in December from the previous month, International Energy Agency data showed. The EU imposed a ban on maritime Russian crude oil imports from December the 5th, and G7 countries set a price cap on Russian seaborne exports at $60 per barrel.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The UK retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence AGE at 0530 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence will be released at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The US existing home sales at 1500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.